Steel meets wood in the ultimate logging showdown. Engines roar, saws scream, and giants crash down in seconds. This is raw power, pure precision, and extreme logging at its finest. No slow cuts, no second chances, just unstoppable force. Are you ready? The chainsaw's roar tears through the wilderness as a logger faces a massive tree. Each cut echoes power and skill, a thrilling clash of human ingenuity and nature's might, a testament to resilience and the untamed beauty of the forest. Hanging at dizzying heights, the steel 261 chainsaw tears through thick branches with ruthless precision. One wrong move, and it's a free fall to disaster. The view is breathtaking, the danger real. Would you dare to take on this challenge? That root ball is a beast. Talk about resilience. This plant's making a wild comeback. Chainsaw roaring, it's time to dominate.
Olay!
The Ponce Ergo 8WC44H7 unleashes its raw power, felling a towering 15-meter tree and slicing it into perfect sections in under a minute. With precision and brute force, this beast dominates the forest, turning massive logs into neatly processed timber with astonishing speed. The 20-ton fallen giant is no joke. The moment the saw slices through, the sheer weight of the trunk shifts unpredictably. One wrong move, and this could turn into a deadly disaster. Precision, skill, and nerves of steel. This is extreme logging at its finest. The Tiger Cat 1075B, armed with 250 horsepower, is trapped in a ruthless mud pit. Every rev of the engine digs it deeper, but the rescue is underway. Chains tighten, the winch roars, and tension builds. Will this beast break free or sink further? This lumberjack is a true warrior, taking down a massive 5-foot hemlock with pure skill and experience. Every cut, every sound is pure adrenaline. You don't want to miss this epic display. Meet the mighty Frick 0000 circular sawmill. With a 48-inch carbide-tipped blade, it slices hardwood like butter, powered by a roaring 3-cylinder Detroit diesel engine. But the real star, Gary, the machine whisperer, has transformed this classic into a high-performance beast, unmatched in power. This rugged wood splitter may look old school, but it crushes massive 60 centimeters logs like they're nothing. With relentless force, it tears through decayed and solid wood alike, proving that brute power and raw efficiency never go out of style. The Caterpillar 324E excavator grips colossal tree stumps, feeding them into the CBI 5400. With 600 GP of raw power, this beast pulverizes wood into fine chips in seconds. A 10-ton log truck lies on its side, trapped in the frozen wilderness. A powerful recovery mission is underway, pulling the beast back on its wheels. But what about the scattered logs?
Красавчик, дядя Лёша, красавчик!
The Lamag hole. Falter 14T wood splitter unleashes 14 tons of raw force, crushing through massive logs like they're nothing. With an output of 18-20 tons per day, it's a true powerhouse. Could you keep up with this beast? The Komatsu harvester powers through the dense forest, effortlessly felling towering trees in seconds. With its rugged build and heavy-duty tracks, no terrain is too tough. Precision, speed, and raw power. The LKT-81 Turbo, a 160 horsepower powerhouse, drags 70-foot logs with ease across treacherous snowy terrain. Its rugged build and hydraulic winch make it unstoppable in extreme logging conditions. Have you ever seen a skidding beast work this effortlessly? The 500 horsepower logging truck battles rough terrain, hauling 30 tons of timber through a tight, unstable path. Every turn is a test of balance, every bump a challenge. One wrong move and disaster strikes. Can this beast conquer the road, or will the load take control? Ever wonder what happens to those stubborn stumps after a tree falls? Wonder no more. This stump cutter is a beast, grinding wood into dust with unstoppable force. Think of it as a wood chipper on steroids, obliterating every obstacle in its path. Watching it work, absolutely mesmerizing. This DIY wood splitter is a true powerhouse. With an immense 20-ton pressing force, it crushes massive logs with ease, slicing them into perfectly sized firewood in seconds. Precision, speed, and raw power. This machine delivers relentless performance. Have you ever seen a splitter work this fast? The powerhouse skidding machine grips an 80-foot oak and drags it effortlessly across the frozen terrain. Snow, mud, or obstacles, nothing slows this beast down. With sheer strength and precision, it clears the path, hauling massive logs to the collection point. Have you ever seen a machine dominate the forest like this? The Toro Stump Grinder STX38 is an absolute beast. Powered by a 38 GP Kawasaki engine, it dominates tough stumps with ease. Its track-driven design ensures stability, while the hydraulic cutter delivers razor-sharp precision. Fast, powerful, and built for extreme efficiency. The Broyeur Albach Silvator 2000, a true beast of the logging world. With a monstrous 600 horsepower engine, it devours massive 3M logs in seconds, turning them into fine wood chips effortlessly. This unstoppable machine is redefining efficiency in the forestry industry. The Dorntech Holzpalter Might Seilwinde is a true powerhouse. With its hydraulic winch, it effortlessly lifts and splits a massive 1 meter long, 80 centimeters diameter log in seconds. No struggle, no wasted energy, just pure efficiency in firewood processing. The Komatsu 895, a beast in timber handling, effortlessly lifts and unloads 20 tons of freshly harvested logs. With precision and raw power, it stacks the timber like a true pro, ensuring smooth transport. Watching this giant at work is nothing short of mesmerizing. Efficiency, strength, and mastery in one machine.